Hey play cousin, welcome back.
Want to forget you, but I can't. When it's good, I'm baby. When it's bad, I'm crazy. I don't know what it is lately. All I know is I ain't gonna keep this up. We can make it if we make it now.
Hey play cousin, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be making some smothered chicken and gravy. You guys voted. You all wanted to see me do chicken and dumplings. Some of you guys wanted to see me do the smothered chicken and gravy. So that's what I'm going to be making for you guys today. Get my chicken onto the cutting board, which I only have 2 thighs, and then I'm going to be cooking 4 drumsticks. And that's just because that's how much I wanted to make for today. And I'm just going to season this a little bit with some seasoning salt, black pepper. I'll be using some garlic salt, some smoked paprika, of course. Then you're gonna go in with a little bit of cayenne pepper, just because I like a kick. I'm gonna add some onion powder. So if you guys see my previous cook with me video, my first cook with me, when I was making the fried chicken, broccoli and roasted potatoes, this is the same seasonings, which has like the chicken bouillon, salt, pepper, like most of the everything that I just put on this chicken. And I'm just going to add a couple pieces at a time. I'm gonna add me a thigh inside of here and like 2 drumsticks, just so that I can coat this, because you don't want it to be like super duper you don't want like a super, you don't have to add egg because it's not like you're frying it. You just want it because you're going to be using this to make your gravy. Now I already have some vegetable oil over here. It's like in between the 3 and the 4, and it's preheated. And then I'm just going to add a couple pieces of chicken to it. Fine. I'm going to turn that heat up to about a 6. Now once it starts cooking for a little bit on one side, you're going to flip it. And no, it's not cooked all the way, but you're just going to, you know, flip it. And that's how it looks after being flipped around a couple times. You know, it's just going to give it a nice golden color. And that's what you want. And of course, no, it's not going to be cooked all the way, but you want a nice golden color like this. Now that it's starting to fry and get some color, it's not cooked all the way, but I'm going to remove this from the heat and add it to a bowl separate. You see the oil, how I just removed the chicken? I'm going to go back in with that same flour that I used to coat the chicken. And then I'm going to add that flour to this hot oil. Not all of it, just some of it. And then you just whisk that. Yeah, I'm going to cut up some onion. So I'm going to take around like this much onion. Because I just want it to be, you know, I want it to have like a little bit of onion. I love the way onion tastes inside of some smothered chicken. And so now that that roux has cooked down a little bit, I'm going to be adding my onions to the roux. And then I'm going to be going in with some almond milk. That I put on top of my chicken. I'm gonna add my onions, let them cook down just a little bit because I want them to be tender. I don't want them to be crunchy. And now while that's cooking down, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna add some pieces of my chicken back to the gravy. And then I'm going to cover this. And then I'm going to let it cook for about an hour. And that's the finished product. I just put it on top of some rice.
Got me thinking like, alright. If something just not right, no, nobody eat this fight. No, nobody eat this fight. Maybe that's why, I'm always trying to pick a fight when there's nothing I don't like about you, cause you're so perf. Everything you do is so perf. Wake up in the morning so perf.